Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Spider-Man Miles Morales starting game with all suits and powers unlocked. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to a login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If it doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create one, and then select the slow download option, and it will be start downloading. After getting download done, right click and select extract to open the extracted file and copy this save file, and then go to documents, Miles Morales, random numbers, save paste the file in here, and then open the game. After opening the game, just to select this 100% profile, just drag your mouse like this and then select the create ng plus option, and then it will create a new profile with 0%, but the level is 30. Just select the profile and go to amazing and start the game. You just need to wait, guys. So you can see the starting mission we are in. Just press the tab key, go to suits. Every suits has been unlocked. Gadgets, everything is unlocked. Skills, everything is there. So you can see everything is unlocked in the starting of the game, and you can enjoy all your powers, guys. Don't forget to like, guys. Thank you.